Time to reveal the project. This tiny project that we are trying to capitalize on lots of the things that we have learned during this course. The project definition is for a tailor shop that is supposed to produce a weekly order list and send it to logistics to do the purchase. Every day, people that they work there, they regularly update an inventory list. So basically, whatever that you have in the stock. Based on this, your Power Automate should create a weekly order list. So basically, anything that is short in number, it should be added to a weekly order list and sent to the people that they are responsible for purchase. Seems very easy, but let's see what is involved in it. If you have a supervisor that regularly looks into these items and anything that is short, he should put a request together and add it to the weekly order list. But this is not just a straightforward add to list item. When this guy picks an item and says, okay, we want to order 5 of this sleeping bag zippers, everything is good. It should be automatically added to the order list. But if this guy all of a sudden requests 100 of sleeping bag zippers, manager should approve it. The rule is simple. If the number of the items that the supervisor requests is 30 and above, it requires manager approval. Otherwise, it will automatically go to the weekly shopping list. So here's a detailed document. Supervisor should be able to submit requests for any item directly from Excel. That is stored in SharePoint. So this Excel sheet is already in SharePoint Online, and this guy should be able to manually enter the quantity of the items. So basically, if this guy wants to order sleeping bag zipper, he should be able to pick sleeping bag zipper right on the list, giving him a place that he can enter the quantity of this item, for example, 5, 10, 20, or whatever, and then submits it. The request that the quantity shows 30 or more should go to manager for approval. If the item is rejected to order by the manager, the quantity should be reduced to 29 and added to the weekly purchase list. So basically, anything that the supervisor requests to purchase is approved. The only thing is that if the number is 30 and above, manager should approve it. If manager approves, it goes through. If manager doesn't approve, the number turns down to 29, and again, the order goes through. At the end of every week, a list of requested items should be compiled and sent to logistics by email. So when this person adds an item to the order list, it doesn't go to the list right away. If it requires approval, it gets approved first. If it does not require approval, it goes to the list, but that final list is created once a week. It's a weekly list. And at the end of the week, the list of all the requested items is sent to logistics by email. So we just have an email address that all the items that have gone through the approval will be added to the email and someone will act on it. And finally, if the item is not approved before Friday, it should be processed in the requested items for the next week. So it's Friday morning, and there are some items that they are requested by supervisor, but manager hasn't approved it yet. Those items will not get into the shopping list for that week. They should wait for another week. If next week the manager approves it, they will be added to the shopping list. If the manager rejects it, the number comes down to 29, and again, it's added to the next week's shopping list. Easy enough? Okay, before you go to the next lecture, I want you to start thinking. Pause the lesson, pause the lectures for a few minutes. Sit there with a piece of paper, not on the computer, with a piece of paper. Sit there and think and draw the high-level diagram that what you want to put together, and then watch the next lecture that I'm going to tell you how to set it up and what are the elements that we want to use and how we need to put them together. Roll up your sleeves and get to work.